team of teachers wants to improve students' critical thinking skills through the use of inquiry-based learning. They meet weekly to reflect on their classroom practices and share data. What type of action research are the teachers conducting? Individual action research, collaborative action research, participatory action research, or classroom action research? I see letter B's. Okay. And of course, letter B po ang ating tumpak na choice. No? So, babalikan natin ngayon yung ating slide. Okay? So, actually, your letter B was still part of your letter C, no? Yung ating participatory action research. Kaya lang mas specific yung collaborative, di ba? When you say participatory action research, this is a research method that involves researchers and participants working together. Okay? Kaya nga po siya tinawag na participatory, no? Hindi lamang individual action research, hindi lamang si teacher yung gumagawa, but the participants are working together with the teacher, no? Or with the researcher. Now, under this, you have collaborative, and po, no? Participants are treated as competent agents and are involved in designing, conducting, and reporting. Community values, of course, yung ating pong values as a community ay integrated sa ating research process. Real-world problems,